To clarify, note that the replacing based on format, it is not actually fully replacing. It is inserting and not remove previous attributes. For example, I'm looking for everything on this document. It is bold. So find what? Format, find everything. It is bold. Okay. And replace with format, font again, and let's say italic. Okay. Note that I didn't select bold italic. I chosen only italic. Okay. If I start replacing, all my bold texts already get an italic, but still they are bold. So it is not actually remove that one and insert one. It is not actually replacing for format. It is inserting or updating based on new attributes, and it won't remove that. In this case, of course, we could go to the replace with, allow me to search anything it is on the paragraph bold italic. And here I'm gonna clear format, font, and we could set the not bold for replacing. And there it is. And of course, we could remove the italic also, something like regular if you want. Allow me to undo that just to show you. Again, replace anything that is bold italic, but I want to be regular one. Okay, and replace them all. Now they are regular, not bold and not italic.